Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the camera setting on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the shooting section, and after that we're going to select image quality / recording, and then scroll down to movie settings. So press on that, and here you have record setting. So once you select that, you have two options, so 25 megapixels and 50 megapixels. Select the option that suits you the best, and once you've done that, you can just exit out of the settings, and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.